Hi, I'm Danny Prestige, Certified Financial Planner with Wood Financial Group. I'm here to give you your September 2015 stock market update. Now, September 30th ended the third quarter of 2015. As a lot of you probably noticed, it was a very troublesome period for the stock market. During this third quarter, we saw declines in both the Dow Jones and the S&P 500, with the Dow Jones losing a little over 7.5% and the S&P 500 declining around 7%. Now, as that's troublesome, we want to make sure that you understand what that turbulence was caused by. During September, we believe the turbulence to have been caused largely by global economic growth uncertainty and unsettled Federal Reserve policy here in the United States. Now, with regard to the Federal Reserve, they had a mid-September meeting where they declined to raise interest rates. Now, people have been talking about that for a long time. They believe that that's a cautious move by the Fed. But a lot of analysts believe that that could cause a larger problem on down the road. Now, after their meeting, the Fed stated that they refused to raise those interest rates because they were concerned about global economic growth, and they were comforted by the fact that we have what they consider mild inflation here in the United States. Now, the Federal Reserve Chairwoman, Janet Yellen, came out and made a great case for raising interest rates this year, but she did state that the decision when to raise those rates and how high to raise them are going to be based on the data that the Federal Reserve receives between now and the end of the year. Now, we do have some good news for this update. The second quarter gross domestic product, or economic growth number for the United States, was revised upward once again. That number was raised from 3.7% to 3.9%. That was based largely on higher consumer spending and higher construction numbers than were originally anticipated. So hopefully those types of numbers will follow us from the third quarter into the fourth quarter of the year. Now, as you know, the fourth quarter always brings with it holiday shopping season. It brings in the end of 2015. Now, what we're going to be focused on largely in this fourth quarter are domestic fundamentals. We think the economic issues surrounding the United States are going to be much more important during the fourth quarter than they were in the third. Government fiscal policy is also going to be a big issue to keep an eye out for. And as these things affect the market, we're hoping to keep you updated on them. Now, as always, we're watching the market. We're looking for any of these changes that come up, and we're updating our clients accordingly. Now, we know that market volatility is a stressful time for our clients. We just want to remind everybody that these types of ups and downs in the markets are commonplace, and quite frankly, they can be opportunities for long-term investment strategies and for savvy investors. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to give me or Wesley Wood a call at Wood Financial Group, 615-826-5749. Now also, if you haven't already, check us out on Facebook. We keep an active Facebook page for our company where we post videos like this. We post other event information, so feel free to check that out if you haven't already. Now, as a financial planner, my job is to make sure that my clients are comfortable with their investments and that they understand what's going on in the marketplace. If you're a client of ours, or if you have any questions at all that you need answered, feel free to give me a call. We're glad to sit down and talk about any of the events that we've outlined here, or any of the things that we're looking for in the fourth quarter. So for now, thank you for watching our September market update.